Let me tell you something that will make you a lot of money. And I'll give it to you for free. And I hope that I don't waste my time because this will change how you look at opportunities and how you make money. If you are not making money right now, there's nothing wrong with you. The issue that you have, please take this one down. The issue that you have is not a money problem. The issue that you have right now is an access problem. There's a guy right now who is making what you make the whole year in just 1 month. And then there's another guy who's making what that guy makes in 1 month in just 1 week. And then there's a guy who makes what you're able to make in 1 week in just 1 day. There's a guy who makes what you make in 1 day in just 1 minute. What is the difference? The difference is the level of access that you have to opportunities. So some people have got access to better opportunities than others, and that's the only difference. This is why you see that you could have the same qualification with somebody, both of you degree, masters, whatever it is, same qualification, same class. Your friend gets paid a lot of money, you get paid peanuts. Why? Because you've got different levels of access. So let me fix this access issue for you. And if you do this step by step, next month you give me a call. And I promise you, you're going to thank me. You tell me that you wish you did this earlier on in your life. The number one reason why many people don't make money is because they've not fixed this access problem. There's no clarity. So let me shed more light on what to do step by step. Get a piece of paper today, a piece of paper, and write down the total amount of money that you've made. Okay, let's do this exercise now. Okay, get a piece of paper. I want to do it now so that I can see that you're doing it. Get a piece of paper now. Yes, good. So now what I want to do is this. Write down how much you've made this month. Don't tell me, just write on a piece of paper. Okay, good. So after you've done how much you've made in a year, in a month this month, add 20%. Now this month, okay, this month you've made that amount. Now add 20% on top of that amount of money which you've made. If you want, you can even add 50%. Like you want to make 50% more for next month. So just write that one down. What you've made this month, and now write you want to top up that amount of money next month by 50%. It's not much, just write it down, 50%. Good. Now that you've done that, now do this. Write down three things. Three things you are going to do to multiply the money you're currently making by 50%. Three. Three first things. A lot of people don't know this. When you write down a target, it opens up your mind to new possibilities and new ways of doing things. Now you have to come up with ways. How do I make more than I'm currently making by 50%? What am I going to do? Exact things. For example, if I am a salesperson, I sell books, I sell courses, and I want to make 50% more than I'm currently making, the normal question would be, what am I going to do to make 50% more? So number one thing I need to do is to increase my marketing. And by that I mean I'm supposed to increase by my marketing budget. So for me, I know if I spend 10,000 kwacha in ads, it gives me about 60,000. So for me to make 120, I need to spend a 20,000. So it's very important that you understand how you can multiply your revenue. It's not wishful thinking. It's not about dreams. It's about being specific. I want to make 50% more. So what I need to do, number one, I need to increase my marketing budget so I can market more, I can sell to more people. Number two, I need to improve on the delivery. I can make it easy for people to find me, to buy from me, to receive my products. Number three, I need to increase my speed so that I can do more than I'm kind of doing. So find specific things you need to do, not wishful thinking. If you can do this, I promise you next month you call me and then you thank me. Because now I would have known for you to make 50% more than you're currently making, you need to do one, two, three. You need to spend A, B, C, D. Many people are still stuck because they don't even have a marketing budget. They don't know. They sell based on hope. No, this month God blessed us. I'm going to do this. And next month, selling is not based on hope. Hope is not a sales strategy. You need to know specific things you must do to increase your money. So if you write down your target, how much you want to make, and what you're going to do, the marketing budget, I promise you next month with the target. That's how it works. So there's nothing wrong with you. You're not making much because you've limited your access to opportunities, your access to money. That is the only issue where you're making less than the other guy. The other guy has opened up more opportunities. So, for example, if you spend more money on your marketing budget, guess what? You now have a wider access to more clients, more people, more opportunities. You're now easily findable by different clients. That's how it works. And if you try this, try it now. I can assure you next month you're going to thank me. The money making business is a credit business. You must be clear exactly what you want to do to make money, how you're going to do it, who you're going to do it for, when you're going to do it, and how to do it. Very important. This is what all of us are doing. It's not magic. There's no shortcut. It is just a system of how things should be done. You like that? Fantastic. I'm happy that you like it. Try it.